Let me tell you what algorithm is a real deal, and I experienced it myself. I have 4 different Instagram accounts and for different purposes, and the content, the suggested content on each account is very different. So first, I have a personal account, the main accounts that I use to share my life and some of my works. And when I click on the Spirit Explorer page, it will suggest for me the relevant and interesting content that I found is really enjoyable to watch. And this is the videos that I used to watch about food and then relaxing content. And then for the second Instagram account, which is my projects promoting studying abroad for young people. So on Explorer page, it suggested similar content from different accounts, studying abroad, applying for exchange program, something like that, scholarships. And then turn to the accounts that I create for this class, Emergent Media, which I just created like 2 or 3 weeks ago. There's not much there, so and I just post and share the quickly reflection on that. So it's really just suggests me some random content, and I guess because I left little footprints there, so it's still learning my behavior and preferences. And for the final account, which is my personal account, I don't follow anyone and don't let anyone follow me. So it's also random. It's suggested random content. So they're still learning, because for the 2 latter accounts, I don't usually watch content on that account. So I think they don't understand. They're still learning what I use that account for. I think you can experience yourself, or you can compare the content that's suggested for you or the content suggested for your friend on the same platforms, and to see what happened with you. Or you can Google search the same keywords on your different Google accounts or accounts of your friends and yours, and to see what different does it really suggest you different content or the same content. Depends on your behavior and your preferences. Is learned throughout the years, the time that when you started using internet. And if you notice, Google now expanding its products. It's creating a lab, and the latest products, AI powered search engines, which will ask you to allow it to collect more data from you and your behavior, your activities. The result is it will suggest you, it will give you the results from your search keywords that it thinks is relevant and the thing that you want to see and want to have. I think it starts with a good point that is accommodates users' preferences, but on the other hand, it's also create a questions or exactly a concern that whether it will create a filter bubble for you where you just see what you want to see and which is thing that you want to see and relevant to you. That's how algorithm works. Algorithm that the social media and search engines, the big corporations are using right now. That's for this week. See you next time.